In today's world, your brain has become a victim of synthetic dopamine, a byproduct of modern consumption. The year is 2026, and the digital landscape has evolved to create a constant state of chronic stimulation that numbs your baseline level of satisfaction. This relentless exposure to digital rewards keeps the brain trapped in what can only be described as an infinite scroll economy, leading to a perpetual craving that feels impossible to satiate. The lines between physical and digital consumption have blurred to the point where your brain struggles to distinguish between food and social media feeds. Both avenues produce massive spikes of pleasure that can exhaust your neurons, leaving you in a state of overstimulation. At this point, a systematic biological reset is no longer optional, it has become a necessity for mental health. Fasting represents one of the most effective methods for initiating such a reset. It begins with the cellular mechanics of deprivation, where your body makes a significant shift from utilizing glucose as its primary energy source to embracing ketone signaling. This critical transformation triggers the production of a protein known as Brain-Derived Neurotrophic Factor, or BDNF. This protein acts like fertilizer for brain cells, promoting the healing and repair of damaged neural connections. As one enters a fasting state, the brain responds by activating a process called neuronal autophagy. This is akin to a deep cleaning operation for your cells, where the brain works diligently to clear out the protein trash that has accumulated due to overstimulation. In a world constantly bombarded by information and distractions, processing this overload generates a substantial amount of metabolic waste. However, deprivation forces the brain to prioritize survival instincts, steering it away from short-term gratification loops that hinder growth. Instead, your brain starts to focus on long-term preservation of its circuitry, marking the first significant step toward reclaiming your mental clarity and peace. Gradually, the frantic pace of modern life begins to fade, giving way to an awareness of stillness that your biology instinctively favors over chaotic noise. Here, a crucial message emerges: hunger is not merely a sign of deprivation, rather, it signifies that an essential repair process is underway within. This recalibration of your body strips away the layers of synthetic indulgence, uncovering the real needs and genuine satisfaction that have been obscured by the noise of the digital age. With each passing moment of fasting, the body and mind start to realign with their natural rhythms, embracing a simpler, more authentic existence. The initial discomfort of hunger transforms into a profound recognition of the internal changes taking place, allowing you to reclaim control over your desires. In this journey of fasting, the lasting impact on your mental health is immeasurable. You will find that clarity begins to replace confusion, and focus begins to overshadow distraction. As your brain removes the clutter of incessant stimuli, it opens up pathways to creativity and deeper connections with yourself and the world around you. The combative relationship with gratification starts to soften, paving the way for a more balanced approach to pleasure and satisfaction. Ultimately, this shift may inspire a change in lifestyle. A newfound understanding of the importance of moderation in consumption leads to healthier choices that nurture both body and mind. By embracing periods of fasting, you allow your brain to reset its reward pathways, fostering a healthier response to pleasure that can enrich the quality of your experiences, both digital and physical. Imagine a life where the infinite scroll no longer holds dominion over you. Picture a state of being where your attention can flow freely, unencumbered by the artificial highs and lows dictated by screens. It is within your reach, and the first step toward achieving this clarity is a commitment to fasting and the subsequent exploration of its profound effects on your mental landscape. Embrace this journey as you strip away the synthetic facade to unveil the richness of your true desires and satisfaction. The prefrontal cortex serves as the command center of your brain, guiding your logic and rational choices. However, chronic spikes in dopamine compromise this control, allowing the ventral striatum to dominate during addiction. By practicing fasting, you can strengthen the connection between the prefrontal cortex and the ventral striatum. This shift empowers your rational self, transitioning your mind from bottom-up control to top-down governance. Chronic inflammation within the brain clouds judgment and fuels compulsive behaviors. Therefore, addressing systemic neuroinflammation becomes crucial. As the fire of inflammation subsides, clarity emerges, allowing for better decision-making. Ancient practices of asceticism align harmoniously with modern clinical science, revealing that deprivation can lead to an upregulation of dopamine receptors. This process enhances your brain's sensitivity to smaller joys, ultimately restoring your baseline emotional high. As your brain enters a state of calm alertness, alpha waves start to dominate your neural activity. This transition creates a bridge between metabolic stress and meditative clarity. By stripping away the spikes of dopamine, you reveal your hidden cognitive agency, making resilience a tangible aspect of your neural framework. You cease to be merely a victim of your brain's dopamine-driven infrastructure. Instead, you gain the tools to reintegrate stimuli through a fresh perspective that avoids triggering old pathways of addiction. To maintain your mental edge, it's essential to employ periodic deprivation. In today's world, mastering one's own neurochemistry is not just an option but a necessity. True freedom is discovered in your new capacity to say no to the dopamine spike, to choose deliberate stillness amidst the chaos. This spiritual stillness is more than a mental state, it is a biological achievement rooted in the brain's inherent ability to heal itself. All you need to do is provide it with the space to breathe and recuperate. Claim the high ground over your own mind by understanding its intricacies. The journey to mastering your neurochemistry is a pathway towards personal evolution. Embrace the stillness, allowing your brain to reset and rewire your future. Through these practices, you not only reclaim control but forge a more profound connection with your rational self, fostering resilience in the face of life's challenges. Your brain is a complex system capable of immense growth and adaptation when given the chance. By becoming mindful of your choices and implementing intentional strategies, you can navigate the landscape of addiction and emerge victorious. In the end, cultivating this discipline and clarity promotes a deeper understanding of oneself, in which the power of choice lies firmly in your hands.